state from Carolina to California, and he took all the women for a ride. He'd kiss a different one goodbye each morning, and then he would be on his way. With a little pleasure along Highway 80, it took him 9 days to cross the USA. Now sometimes he was a little confused, walking around like he was in a fog. He couldn't remember all their names, and so he wrote them all down in his log. He was a truck driving man. This cat, he had 9 wives. A wife in every state from Carolina to California, and he took all the women for a ride. Then one day it had to happen. He ran off the mountainside. They looked at his log and they found 9 women had to be notified. The women, they came with all their children. Each one looked and said, "That's my pa." The women, they finally agreed that they were just widows-in-law. Now that the funeral is over, his belongings were divided up. You ought to have seen those little women cutting up that old diesel truck. He was a truck driving man. This cat, he had 9 wives. A wife in every state from Carolina to California, and